Bullish Easy Love. By 2030, the price of a drink is expected to be around $0.01. Those who study the market and accept SLP could hit 0.2025 bearish. In 2023, the market price of Smooth Love Blend is predicted to be $0. When it comes to playing games, Smooth Love Mixing Old Friends Aches the Endlessness was the first NFT game to sell $1 billion worth of copies. It is known for putting play to acquire games on the gaming scene around the world. Sky Mavis launched the game in 2018, but it came out at the same time as the NFT Blast XE Boundlessness, which was the last summer star gathering and had more than 1 million players every day. Clients Who Come and Go Often. XE Boundlessness is a play-to-acquire blockchain game that uses NFT. In the game, players collect animals called axes and fight them with other players. The game's biological system uses two currencies: Axie Endlessness pieces and Silky Love elixirs. Basically, you get SLPS by playing the game, while taxes and administration tokens let you make important decisions like how the game works and how much money goes to the bank. Before we can decide if SLP is a good option for 2022, we need to go back a little. We'll talk in detail about the role and use of SLP, the HC Boundlessness biological system, and the factors that affect the cost of SLP and Sky Mavis plans for the future. What does XC Boundlessness mean? XC Limitlessness support the play to get ongoing interaction model, in which players get paid back for the time and effort they put into playing the game. They also own their in-game characters and things as NFTs, which they can sell, buy, or use for ongoing interaction. This is what sets X apart. The cost of buying the 3 axes needed to play the game was galactic, but there are investors and businesspeople who can easily pay the money needed to buy axes. Due to a gap in the market, the Grant in Society projects had to be moved along a line. Give the boss or society the 3 directions that the player will use to play the game and get SLP. They take all bets and give the new player 3 axes in return for a piece of their player's benefit. The new customers play to get an HC limitlessness, and letting their fans get a piece of the benefit makes the limitless useful. MMR is short for matchmaking rating. MMR is used to figure out how good a player is at the game so that they can play against rivals who are generally at the same level of skill. Most of the people in HC live in the relaxed level. In fact, players made less money from every game mode. Fast daily midpoints used to be around 200 SLP, but now they seem to be between 100 and 120 SLP. Also, in the 20th season, players with less than 800 MMR will only get 1 SLP per win. At the moment, Smooth Love combination is worth nothing. SLP is currently up 0.77%, and there have been $5,869,828 worth of trades. The Love That Sways elixir is currently the 267th most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $90,280,267 US. It is ranked 267th out of all digital currencies. Using the general strength record moving weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal combination to similarity from the above outline, we can decide cost designs for Smooth Love elixir to figure out if we're going to have a bullish or negative year based on our cost estimates. On our website, market data and other information are changed in real time, which lets us make dynamic cost estimates based on how the market is moving right now. 2023 Smooth Love Combo, Expectations and Value. From some points of view, Smooth Love Elixir is one of the most exciting new ways to make digital money this year. The SLP cost measure for 22-23 predicts that the last part of the year will go up a lot, maybe even to $0. Like other digital forms of money, the price will continue to go up, but average drops of $0 are not predicted. The price is pretty high, but it should be possible soon if everyone works together and things go as planned. SLP is made to have a worth of $0 when it is first used. We think that the price of SLP will soon be more than $0 because many new groups and actions are expected to make declarations. Before making any confident statements, we should wait to see if the SLP's general strength list gets out of the oversold zone. Bets that account for the fluctuation of the market will swap at a starting cost of $0. $0 is a normal exchange rate. If the vertical pattern stays the same until 2025, the value of the smooth love mixture could drop to $0. If the market goes down, SLP may do better. Maybe the goal won't be reached. The average price of SLP is expected to be $0, and the lowest price is expected to be $0.25. This is according to the Smooth Love Elixir value estimate for 2026. We think that the price of an SLP coin will stay the same for the next 5 years. The SLP should reach a new high for outperformance in 2026. In the year 2026, virtual money will be worth $0, and it will cost $0 to make. We think that the SLP price will go over a standard value level of 1 cent by 2027. This is based on a lot of research and a wide range of decisions. By the end of the year, SLP is projected to have a maximum value of 1 cent and a starting cost of 1 cent mix of love, value, and hope. 2028 we think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around 1 cent by 2028. Since it represents businesses that are likely to start up in the next 10 years. In 2028, if SLP finds out how to break the safe amount, the most it could cost would be 1 cent. If SLP doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, there could be a 1% drop. SLP is trying to make it easier for groups to work together. The positive trend from last year is likely to continue, so the base exchange cost has been set at 1 cent and the cost per year will be close to 1 cent in 2029. Smooth Love Elixir worth what you expect by the year 2030. Smooth Love Blend will finally do better than its ADH values and set new cost levels. The starting price could be 1 cent, and the best value could also be worth 1 cent. Making the average price 1 cent. 2331 Expect Smooth Love with a mix of value. The market for digital money is known to be very unstable, which is one of the many reasons why price deciding is a difficult mistake. Even though every effort is made to predict future prices accurately, you shouldn't take any of them as financial advice. By 2031, digital money is expected to be widely accepted, so the most expensive SLP is expected to cost 2 cents. Smooth Love Elixir